Most people trade hours for money, and that's exactly why they stay stuck. Working harder used to work. Today, it doesn't. The smart people aren't competing with AI. They're using it. In this video, I'll show you why trading time for money is dangerous, and how AI allows smart people to build systems that work even while they sleep. Let's be honest. Most jobs are designed around one idea. You give time, you get paid. 8 hours a day, 40 hours a week, 4 years. Even if you get promoted, even if your salary increases, your income is still tied to your time. And here's the problem. Time is limited. Technology isn't. AI can now do in seconds what used to take humans hours. And people who don't adapt will feel that pressure first. Here is the key difference between most people and smart people. Most people ask, how much does this job pay? Smart people ask, how does this scale? This is called leverage. Leverage means using tools, systems, and technology to produce results without working more hours. AI is the most powerful leverage tool ever created. And no, using leverage isn't lazy. It's intelligent. Let's break this down simply. Step 1. Identify repetitive work. Emails, reports, data analysis, content, customer support. If a task feels repetitive, AI can probably automate it. Step 2. Learn the tools. Tools like AI assistants, automation software, analytics dashboards. AI doesn't replace intelligence. It amplifies it. Step 3. Build systems. Connect tools together so work continues without your constant attention. That's how results happen while you sleep. Step 4. Stop relying on one income. One paycheck is risky in a fast-changing world. AI allows smart people to build multiple income streams using skills and systems. Here's the truth. The future won't reward the hardest workers. It will reward the fastest learners. People who understand AI will control their time, income, and options. Those who ignore it will compete against it. Stop trading hours for money. Start building systems. Start learning AI. Start creating leverage. Your time is valuable. Let technology do the repetitive work, so you can focus on growth. Subscribe to Future Wealth Lab for more insights on AI, smart wealth, and the future of money. Because the future rewards the prepared.